Welcome back to Rich's Mowers and Blowers. Pshhh. So what do we got? What are we looking at? Craftsman Professional 6-speed rear drive.
Nice.
It is self-propelled, and the self-propelled wasn't quite working, so we have to investigate that. And it is key start. They replaced this wheel, so this wheel is brand new. They said, oh, the self-propelled don't quite work. That's because it's missing some stuff. Let's go look at this other wheel over here. What we do has these little hubcaps on it. Take a little screwdriver and pop that hubcap off. Pretty easy to do. I'm going to show you how this thing works. When you pick this up and roll it, you can hear it clicking, and that's what the clicking is. So you get to see that firsthand. When the blades engage, it'll lock that on there, and that's what gives it the drive. So there's some important things that go on here. So here is that piece. Here's the piece that goes behind it. And I'll have part numbers and stuff down in the description. There is a left and a right when you order these things. So this one says left on it, and then this one has an R on it for right. Let's go ahead and take this off. Now make sure you don't lose that washer. Then we can pull this off. So we got to put that plate right behind it. This plate here is what's going to go in there. Here, let's go ahead and put it on the ground. Got your plate here. That's going on there like that. And you're taking this one in there like that. And then this will go down inside there to hold that on. Then you have your little clicker or your spring to make that spring back. So that little notch there at the top, that's going to go in there. So we'll take it all back out and we'll show you how to stick it down in there. If you look at the back side, you can see how it goes. This little plastic spring where you line that up right in there like that. Just like that. Alright, so that's what we got. That on there like that. You can use a 1/4 is fine on the back side. Tighten this up. It's a 9/16. Slide your wheel back on there. There's your little spring you got going on. We're going to put this on. Spikes are facing forward. And it just pushes on like that. So there's your gear drive. And then as you go forward, as you push it around the yard without it running, that's what it's going to do. Then we're going to go ahead and put this back on. I think I used a 11mm. Let's go ahead and try the 7/16. So you want to thread this on here. Put your stuff in by hand when you're using these power tools. That way you're not cross-threading anything. Back to normal. So then we go ahead and put our cover back on it. You're going to hear like a little snap because it's going to kind of pop into place like that. I guess we can try the self-propelled. Got the fresh gas in it. Let's go ahead and try that key start. Woohoo! Has good strong pulling power. Almost pulled me away right there. Alright, so that about wraps it up. I hope this helped you out. And don't forget to check out that description for all those part numbers. We'll catch you next time.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
This is Rich's Mowers and Blowers. Pshhh. And we'll see you next time.